Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to get the ad-free version of Amazon Prime Video so you can enjoy movies and shows without those annoying interruptions. Let's dive right in. So first, what exactly is Prime Video ad-free? Well, with this subscription, you can watch most Prime Video movies and TV shows without ads getting in the way. It's a monthly subscription, and if you're in India, you actually have an annual option too. Once you sign up, the ad-free benefits apply across all profiles on your account. So yeah, everyone linked to your account gets the upgrade. Now, just to be clear, not everything will be totally ad-free. Some content, like live TV, sports, or free ad-supported programs, will still show ads. You can spot these by looking for labels that say watch with ads or with ads on the detail page. Alright, step 1. You can sign up directly on the Prime Video website. Just go into your account, click Go Ad Free, and then hit Start Subscription. That's it. The change is instant. Step 2. You can also do this through the Prime Video app on certain devices like Fire TV, smart TVs, game consoles, or set-top boxes. Go into Settings, select Prime, then choose Go Ad Free, and tap Start Subscription. Pretty straightforward. Once you've subscribed, all your profiles will stream on-demand movies and TV shows without ads. Sometimes a quick trailer might play before your show or movie starts, but those can usually be skipped. Couple of quick notes here. If you're on Prime Video Mobile Edition or Prime Lite, you'll need to upgrade to a full Amazon Prime membership first before you can get the ad-free subscription. And again, live TV, add-on channels, or free ad-supported programming will still include ads even with the upgrade. So yeah, to recap quickly, head to your account, select Go Ad Free, start the subscription, and you'll be able to enjoy ad-free streaming on most movies and shows. Simple as that. If this helped you out, don't forget to like the video, maybe subscribe for more easy tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.